Okay, let's ride the Turnbull elevator, which is already here. Getting shocked once again. Oh man, this is antique. Oh wow. All right, why don't we take this for a spin here? Here we go. Wow, that's pretty cool. Beautiful. Look, even got, I think this was obviously added on at a later date. Kind of see through here. This thing really runs well, and I love the motor on this. Let's go back up again. This is amazing, man. I believe this elevator was installed sometime in the 1930s and used to be a manual controlled one. I'm gonna get shocked once again. Kinda did. I want to try and catch the freight elevator, even though I was against doing so. So let's see if we can sneak aboard it, which is on the 6th floor. So I'll be right back, guys.
A few moments later.
This is obviously added on at some point. Fixtures here are different, but it is still a Turnbull, so. All right, let's go down. This is amazing. Let's go back for one more ride. It's just this is obviously much larger because this is basically for freight, essentially. It's the same sub-basement. What? Well, I'm hearing people upstairs, so I don't know. I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. That's a hell of a ride on a Canadian Turnbull. I'm so glad I came here before, who knows when they're gonna demolish this whole building. Oh yeah, that's the machine room right upstairs. So you can easily go up there, but, well, you can't go there without, any permission. I could have exited the elevator at the main floor, but I just want to leave it where it is because the service elevator is like right where I last used it. Let's see if our passenger one is still here. Yep, it sure is. Getting shocked everywhere. At least it's not that bad. And we did. We explored the whole building. And I'll show you what it looks like outside. Yep, right out here. You know, originally I thought I couldn't get in, but I guess I was wrong. And see here, this is the proposal notice. So very, very soon, it may not even last another year, but they're gonna pretty much get rid of this whole property now that this one here has been built. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you guys on the next one. Peace out.